This is a presentation of chi-square test using PSPP by Koveg Washu, California Intercontinental University. The course title is GRC 605 Business Research Methodology and Quantitative Statistics. Today's date, August 9, 2019. Our agenda, first of all, we're going to import data from Excel to PSPP, then statement of hypothesis, and followed by expose of output and results, and finally our takeaways. The first chi-square correlational test consists of testing the relationship between cars and defaults, and we found significant result here. So our no hypothesis is there's no relationship between number of participant cars and the number of defaults, whereas our alternative hypothesis is there is a relationship between the number of participant cars and the number of defaults. The chi-square statistic and its p-value were calculated using PSPP, assuming alpha 0.05. A relationship emerged chi-square with 2 sample 150 equals 6.68, p-value 0.351. P is higher than 0.05, so we accept the alternative hypothesis. A second hypothesis here consists of testing the level of the participant's comfort and his number of defaults. The null hypothesis states there is no relationship between level of participant's comfort and the number of defaults, whereas the alternative hypothesis states there is a relationship between the level of the participant's comfort and the number of defaults. The chi-square statistic and its p-value were calculated using PSPP, assuming alpha 0.05. A relationship emerged, chi-square 6.68, p-value 0.351. A p is greater than 0.05, so we accept the alternative hypothesis. Our last hypothesis here consists of testing the number of the participants' cars and his level of comfort. The following correlational test was conducted. The null hypothesis states there is no relationship between number of participants' comfort and the number of defaults, whereas the alternative hypothesis, there is a relationship between the level of the participants' comfort and the number of defaults. The chi-square statistic and its p-value were calculated using PSPP, assuming alpha 0.05. A relationship emerged, chi-square 450, p-value 0. P is less than 0.05, so we accept the null hypothesis. We have 3 takeaways. First of all, using chi-square helps with nominal measurements. Second, it's easy to compute using PSPP. And lastly, detailed information derives from the tests. I just want to say thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.